Hello and welcome to my screencast of using Kahoot. Here I have a Kahoot I made titled Electricity Review. You can see I have a picture there. I'm going to hit play. The teacher can choose classic or team mode depending on if every player in the room has their own device or if we are sharing devices. For this example, we're going to go classic. You can see down below are game options where you can turn things on or off depending on why and how you're playing the game. I'm going to select classic here. The pin number will come up on the screen for students to type in on their devices. Here I'm going to hop over to my split screen mode. I will have my students type in 870271. Enter. Type in my name. You can see on the teacher screen once students are in, their name appears. If you do not like their name or they type something inappropriate, you can kick them back out of the game. Once all members have joined and all names are on the screen, teachers can go ahead and hit start. Questions will come up on the board and students will select their answer on their device. Here's question 1. Which part of a light bulb gets hot and produces light? The tip, the filament, the base, support wires. Just like to point out this question has 60 seconds so students can get a hang of how they select their answers. Also a picture is present. On the student device they would select their answer. If students answer correctly, their screen turns green and it earns them points. If they answer incorrectly, screen turns red. Back to the teacher side, teacher hits next for the next question to come up. In between each question, it will show a leaderboard of the students who have the most points. Question 2, what is a system that connects electrical devices so they will operate? Circuit, current, wires, battery. Again, students select their answer. I'm going to choose one that is incorrect this time so you can see what happens there. Screen turns red, no points awarded. Shows the correct answer on the teacher screen. Moving on to the next question. What is a material that permits an electric current to pass through? Wood, insulator, paper, conductor. Students again pick the correct answer on their screen. Correct earns them points. Green screen shown. Teacher can move on to the next question. Which of the following is not an example of an insulator? Here I included my short 15-second YouTube video. Students can watch this to help them decide on their answer. The teacher can continue to progress through all 20 questions. I'm not going to do that in order of saving the time from this screencast. At the end of the Kahoot, teachers have the ability to export their scores so they could use it as a formative assessment tool. Students are awarded for first, second, and third place at the end of all of the questions, and it serves as a great way to review information with students in class. Thanks for watching.